You might call him crazy, but on one of the coldest days of the year, a devoted radio fan braved the elements this morning, hoping to win a contest through a local radio station. We'll get to that viz in just a second. Maybe not? Anyways, he had to stay outside for a full hour today. There he is. His name is Chad Novak. Now, if he wins this contest, he'll get $2,000. He's planning to use that for a trip somewhere warm, but he's also raising money for Kids in Town Miracle.
Yeah, very cold to be outside.
Oh, no kidding.
Have to spend an hour?
An hour. $2,000. Who knows if it's worth it? We'll see. We'll see. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're back at 6.